So the next piece we're going to go through is our web-based video analysis system, the Diamond Pro Anaylsis. I'm going to click on the link on the top of my dashboard, and I'll be taken to a page that shows all the different videos that I already have uploaded into the site. The great part about a web-based system is that anyone can use the system from anywhere in the world when it's convenient for them. So you don't have to be sitting there with the player to actually do the analysis. We have full voiceover capabilities, so you can personalize the message to them, as well as validate who's actually doing that analysis. There's also many on-screen tools you can use to illustrate teaching points. Players, parents, coaches, if you have not videotaped your players before, I highly recommend it. Seeing yourself on video is one of the best ways to learn and make mechanical adjustments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload a video. We'll come over to the Browse button. I'll click on it. That will take me to all my files on my computer. I'm going to come down here to a video that I have on my computer. It's called Jack Cuss Swings Front Toss. I'll double click on that. I'll hit Start Upload, and you'll see how it's processing right here. This could take a few minutes to actually process and then upload into our site. So for this demonstration, I'm actually going to use a video that's already uploaded onto the site. What I want you to remember is that ClubDiamondNation.com has a social platform to it. You can actually friend members on the site. Most likely those friends will be your teammates and your coaches and your parents. So once I've friended people, I can come over, get analyzed by those people by clicking on the link. You'll see all my friends will pop up into the system. Let's just say K. Dilgard is my coach and I want him to actually watch my video. I'll click on his image. I'll request an analysis by hitting OK. That request has been sent, and then I'll just exit out of that. Now on K. Dilgard's site, what he'll see is that video show up in the Request from Friends tab. He will also get an email notification that someone is looking for him to analyze a video. And then I'm going to show you how the tool works. I'll just click on the View link. This video will show up in a few seconds. And you'll see all the different tools that we have on the bottom. But the main thing when doing an analysis, I feel, is to be able to personalize that by recording the analysis. So I'm going to hit record. I can do it with or without a microphone. Obviously, without a microphone, you can only use the illustration tools. I'm going to hit the microphone button, and then I'm going to hit the allow button. That's just allowing the computer to use my microphone. You see how the timer is going? That is now recording everything that I'm doing on the screen, as well as my voice. There's a bunch of different tools. Like I said, you could do angles, we could draw arrows, we could type text. If I just wanted to write, "Great swing, Billy," we can use this as a motivational tool. And I can actually even do side-by-sides. I'm going to hit pause on this recording. And I'm going to pull another video up into the site. I can pull it to the right side or to the left side. For this video, I'll pull it to the right side. And now you see I have two videos on the site now. I can control each one of those videos individually, or I can link them together. I'm going to move over to the first video, and I'm going to delete everything that I drew before. I have that player at the contact point for the most part. The right side, I'm going to pull this player right to the same point at contact, and now I'm going to link them together. So I'll go back, and now I can hit resume. We are now recording again. So you can see their stances, you can see their balance, their rhythm, see their weight shift both go together, their stride and load, and then their swing. And I can do all the same features we did before, with the angles, the lines, drawing the circles. There's a lot of really cool features that we can use. There's a great stamp feature. I want to number different things. There's a great beacon. So if I want to point out, palm up, palm down. All those features work here. I'm going to hit the stop button. Now I have a few choices I can do now. I can cancel. If I don't like that recording, I want to delete it, I would cancel this. I can hit the continue recording button, which would take me back to that recording, and I can continue from there. Or I can actually save this. If I went over and typed the title, typed the description, hit save, assuming I'm satisfied with the analysis, this recording would actually go back to the person who actually requested me to watch their video and do an analysis. For this demonstration, I'm just going to hit the preview button, and you'll see how instantaneous the feedback and the analysis is. And you'll hear the complete voiceover and on-screen illustration that we just went through. So I'm going to hit the preview button.
The computer to use my microphone. You see how the timer's going? That is now recording everything that I'm doing on the screen, as well as my voice. There's a bunch of different tools. Like I said, you can do angles, you can draw arrows, you can type text. If I just wanted to write great swing, Billy, you can use this as a motivational tool. And I can actually even do side-by-sides. I'm going to hit pause on this recording. We are now recording again. So you can see their stances. You can see their balance, their rhythm. See their weight shift both go together, their stride and load, and then their swing. And I can do all the same features we did before, with the angles, the lines, drawing the circles. There's a lot of really cool features that we can use. There's a great stamp feature. I want to number different things. There's a great beacon. So if I want to point out palm up, palm down, all those features work here. I'm going to hit the stop button.
So you see how easy that is to use. It's pretty user-friendly, especially once you get used to it. So like I said, I highly recommend taping all of your players, putting them in the system, especially when they're going really well. And then when they start to slump or struggle on the mound, you can upload another video and do side-by-sides and compare them so that they can make the proper adjustments to get back on track. As you can see here, the Jack Cuss video is now uploaded into the site. It's that simple. It's a great tool. We highly recommend using it, and I think you're going to be very, very pleased with the results that you see with your players.